In this video, we are going to discuss about an equation of a line that is perpendicular to another straight line. What is perpendicular? Perpendicular means the line is 90 degrees to each other. The straight line, if we have two straight lines, it means it's 90 degrees to each other. And because of that, this, the right-hand side direction, the gradient we know should be or must be positive. And that makes the left-hand side direction here, the gradient should be negative, right? Left-hand side direction, the gradient should be negative. Okay, if we multiply the positive and negative, so we will get negative, right? And that is how we get the concept of the first line, the gradient of the first line, one of the line, and multiply with the gradient of the other line should produce negative value. In this case, it will produce negative 1. Okay, so I'm going to highlight here. So this is the concept that we will use for perpendicular line. Okay, so let's go back to the questions here. Find an equation of the line perpendicular to y equal to x minus 3. And that passes through the point 2, 4. Okay, so first of all, this is one line. And they are asking what is the other line, which is y equal mx plus c. At this stage, we don't have m and c yet. And these two lines are perpendicular to each other. So if you see this line that we have here, the gradient is positive. So if we happen to sketch it, this line should be this one, the positive direction, this line. Yeah, the gradient is positive, and we are looking for the other line, which is the yellow color here. And I think the gradient definitely should be negative, yeah? Okay, let's do the calculation now. So what are we supposed to calculate? We are looking for the equation of straight line, which is y equal mx plus c. So we need m and we need c, okay? So m is a gradient, and these two, the perpendicular concept say that both gradient multiplied should get negative 1. We have the gradient there, 2. So 2 times m2, we get negative 1. And that is m2 negative 1 over 2. So it means that this is the gradient for the other line. The gradient for this one, if we sketch the yellow line that I shade there. Okay, so now we have the m value, and we need to find the c value. Okay, so this step is similar if we are constructing another equation of straight line. So y equal mx plus c, and this stage we have m, and we also have a point. Y and x come from a point, that is why we have a point here. Right, this point given is actually to help us to find c. Okay, all right, and let's substitute all of those. The y is 4, the m is negative half, and the x is 2 plus c. Mx means we multiply. This we get 1, so that makes 4 plus 1 is c. That makes c is 5. So now we have c. We have m, we have c. Our equation is complete now. Y equal negative half x plus 5. Okay? So this should be our equation of the line that is perpendicular to the y equal 2x minus 3.